12 surprising differences between omnivores, herbivores, and carnivores you should know. Hey there! Today we're going to explore the animal kingdom and discover the fascinating differences between omnivores, herbivores, and carnivores. These three groups of animals have unique ways of surviving, and there are some facts that might surprise you. The animal kingdom is a vast and varied tapestry, woven with creatures of all shapes, sizes, and diets. At the heart of this diversity lies the fundamental question, what do they eat? So let's dive into the wild world of animal diets and see what makes these creatures so different from each other. Get ready for 12 interesting facts, ranked from the basics to the most mind-blowing. Don't miss number 9, it will surprise you. Let's dig in. One, diet basics, what they eat. Let's start with the basics. Herbivores are plant eaters, munching on leaves, grasses, and fruits. Carnivores, on the other hand, are meat eaters, feasting on other animals. Omnivores have the best of both worlds. They eat both plants and animals. Think of herbivores as the vegetarians of the animal world, carnivores as the meat lovers, and omnivores as those who enjoy a balanced diet. 2. The anatomy of appetite, dental adaptations. The next difference lies in their teeth. The teeth of omnivores, herbivores, and carnivores are uniquely adapted to their respective diets. Omnivores have a diverse set of teeth, including incisors for cutting, canines for tearing, premolars for grinding, and molars for crushing. This dental arsenal allows them to tackle a variety of foods. Herbivores, with their specialized grinding teeth, are well equipped to break down tough plant matter. Carnivores, on the other hand, have sharp, pointed canines for tearing flesh and powerful molars for crushing bones. Three, digestive systems, how they process food. Now let's talk about what happens after the food is chewed. Herbivores have longer digestive tracts because plants are harder to break down, and they need more time to extract nutrients. Carnivores have shorter digestive systems, designed to quickly process meat. Omnivores have a middle ground digestive system that can handle both types of food. It's like comparing a slow cooker, herbivores, to a microwave, carnivores, and a stovetop, omnivores. 4. Jaw movement, up and down or side to side. This might surprise you. Herbivores and carnivores have different jaw movements. Herbivores move their jaws side to side, helping them grind down tough plant material. Carnivores have jaws that move up and down, making it easier to clamp down and slice through meat. Omnivores, with their versatile diet, can do a bit of both. It's all about adapting to what's on the menu. 5. Speed of eating, quick bite or slow chew. Carnivores usually eat quickly. They're often predators, so when they catch their prey, they need to eat fast before another animal tries to steal their meal. Herbivores, on the other hand, are grazers. They take their time, slowly chewing and digesting their food. Omnivores can go either way, depending on what they're eating. They might scarf down a piece of meat or leisurely munch on some berries. 6. Sense of smell, finding food. When it comes to finding food, carnivores often have a highly developed sense of smell. This helps them track down prey. Herbivores rely more on their sight to find plants, but their sense of smell is still pretty good to sniff out the freshest greens. Omnivores, being the flexible feeders they are, have a sense of smell that helps them find both plants and animals. Think of it as a well-rounded sensory toolkit. 7. Eye placement, seeing the world differently. Here's a fun fact. The placement of an animal's eyes can tell you a lot about its diet. Herbivores usually have eyes on the sides of their heads, giving them a wide field of view to spot predators. Carnivores have forward-facing eyes, providing better depth perception for hunting. Omnivores, their eyes are usually somewhere in between, giving them a balanced view of their surroundings. Eyes on the side, ready to hide. Eyes in the front, ready to hunt. Eight, social behavior. Lone wolves or herd animals. Carnivores often lead solitary lives, especially the top predators who don't need to share their territory. Herbivores are more social, living in groups or herds for protection against predators. Omnivores can be social or solitary, depending on the species. Their adaptability in diet often extends to their social structures as well, with some living in packs, like wolves, and others preferring a more independent lifestyle. 9. Hunting versus foraging. How they get their food. Carnivores are hunters, and their survival depends on their ability to catch and kill prey. This means they have to be strong, fast, and strategic. Herbivores are foragers. They spend a lot of time searching for the right plants to eat, which requires patience and knowledge of their environment. Omnivores do a bit of both. They might hunt small animals or insects, but they also forage for fruits, nuts, and plants. Their diet diversity gives them more options when it comes to finding food. Lifespan differences. The impact of diet. You might not know that an animal's diet can affect its lifespan. Herbivores often live longer because they don't face the dangers of hunting, and their plant-based diet is less likely to cause injury or disease. Carnivores, despite being at the top of the food chain, can have shorter lifespans due to the risks associated with hunting and competition. Omnivores, once again, fall somewhere in the middle, benefiting from a varied diet that supports a balanced life. 11. Adaptation to environment. Survival tactics. Diet plays a crucial role in how animals adapt to their environments. Herbivores are usually found in areas with abundant plant life, like grasslands and forests. Carnivores can adapt to various environments, from the icy Arctic to the hot savannas, as long as there's prey. Omnivores are the most adaptable of all, able to survive in diverse habitats, from urban areas to wilderness, thanks to their flexible diet. This adaptability makes omnivores some of the most resilient animals on the planet. Ecological impact, balancing the ecosystem. Finally, let's talk about the role these animals play in the ecosystem. Herbivores help control plant populations and provide food for carnivores. Carnivores keep herbivore populations in check, ensuring that no single species dominates the landscape. Omnivores, with their varied diet, help balance both plant and animal populations. Together, these three groups create a balanced ecosystem, each playing a vital role in maintaining the health of their environment. Conclusion. So there you have it, 12 fascinating differences between omnivores, herbivores, and carnivores that you might not have known before. From what they eat to how they see the world, these animals are uniquely adapted to their diets and environments. Next time you see a lion, a deer, or even your pet dog, you'll have a deeper understanding of what makes them tick. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing animal facts.